right here on my WhatsApp chat, I'm waiting for new contacts to come in. And if I have someone come in and say, there's someone that I've not saved his number before and says hello, let's see what's going to happen. You can see this new number and you can see the flash that says contact is saved as YouTube leads 147, and the number is going to change right now. It is going to change. Alright guys, this is actually working. The number has changed automatically to what YouTube lead 147. So this is massively working. Good day guys. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can save contacts automatically on WhatsApp. How you can save contacts automatically on WhatsApp. So for us to do this, let me show you quickly the applications that we'll be using. And as you can see right here, the first application is called Tasker. Tasker is not free. For you to get Tasker, you are going to have to pay 1,500 naira on Google Play Store. It is just a one-time payment, right? And then you are going to need this application also. It is called Contact Task. Contact Task is free. You can download it on Google Play Store. And then the last application, which is autoresponder, and I believe you should have autoresponder already on your phone as a WhatsApp marketer, right? This is autoresponder, but we are going to need the premium version of autoresponder for this, right? So if you are going to stick with me, before the end of this video or towards the middle, I'm going to drop an information on how you can download the premium version of autoresponder and contacts, on how you can download the premium version of autoresponder and Tasker application without having to pay any dime, right? So that being said, if you are interested in this video, why don't you give it a thumbs up right now, like it, so that other people just like you that need this kind of solution can have access to it. And also, if you are joining this channel for the first time, I create videos around how to make money online and how to and strategies on how you can boost your sales. So why don't you subscribe to this channel so that we can help each other grow. So that being said, the first thing you want to do to set up this automation that will help us save contact on WhatsApp with generic name or with a custom name like people will call it. So what we want to do right here is we go to our autoresponder. As you can see right here, I have some rule currently on my autoresponder. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find a way to get rid of this rule, but I'm not going to delete it. So I'm just going to back it up. The reason behind this is because I want my autoresponder rule interface to be clear. I don't want any rules to be there at all. So I'm going to export this so I can just back it up. So I want to save it inside my folder so that I can consult it if I need it for another thing. And I'm going to tap on save. Alright, I have noted the folder where it is saved. Then I have successfully backed this up right now. So the next thing for me to do is to go back to my phone interface or my app manager under my settings. Then I'm going to long click on here. I'll go to app info of autoresponder. Then I'm going to click on storage, and from storage I will clear cache and I also clear data, right? So this is not always compulsory, but starting out I always want people that are just starting out to clear autoresponder interface this way, so they can have a brand new autoresponder, so that they won't have issues or situation whereby the rules after setup it's not working. So I always advise people to just start, if you're just starting out with a Tasker and autoresponder, if you want to set up new rule, just like a contact saving, I always advise them to clear cache and data, but it is not always compulsory. It depends on how good you are with this. So the next thing I want to do is to just set up our autoresponder and continue. Close. Alright. So don't forget, you can get this for free. All you just have to do is to stick with me, because I'm going to release an information on how you can get this for free before the end of this video. Okay, so we are set now. The next thing I want to do right here is to set up a new rule. So we click on this, on that plus sign. Then we are going to click on um we are going to click on, all right, let me just tap all this away. So I'm going to click on welcome message. Welcome message. So the reason why I'm doing this video, guys, like I'm trying to be explanatory enough, is because I want business people to be able to set this up themselves, right? Because I believe if you are a business person, you understand the best way you can communicate to your audience and to your leads, and you know the best method whereby they are going to react more with. They are going to react and they are going to flow more with. So I believe you can set it up for yourself, then you'll be able to capture them and say whatever you want to say to them. So you can actually do this way. You can actually put your own received message here, right? Let's say you are running a particular Facebook advert or Instagram advert, then you have a message whereby your leads are landing into your DM with that kind of message. Then you can just come here and put the message there, paste it and put it there. But for me here, I just want to put this as welcome message, being that anybody that land into my DM, no matter what they used to land into my DM, either it is hi, hello, can I have more info, can I get more info, anything at all, this is going to trigger, this rule is going to trigger. So that is why I put it on welcome message, right? Right. So that is welcome message. Then the next thing I want to do right here is to put what is going to follow. That is the reply. Okay. So this is what's going to follow. I want this to follow. I think I have it here on my clipboard. Yeah. This is what I want to follow. This right here, you can change it, right? You can change it. You can change it to what you want as a business person. Like I said, I do this video so that you can be able to create something for yourself, something that you understand and you know your audience are going to flow better with. So you can always change this one right here to whatever is going to suit you, right? So I just want them to save, to understand that I have saved their numbers automatically, and that they can save my own number also, and I gave them a name which they can use to save my number. That's what I'm doing right here. And then after I've done this, I will save this with this plus button right here. So we open the rule again. So now in the rule, we are going to click on these three dots on the top right corner. So clicking on it right here, we are going to have some option, add label. So on this add label, this is what we want to put right here. So save, okay, save contacts. All right, save contact. So this is the name we want to give it, save contact. You can see what is happening here, guys. As you can see right here, you can see the first letter is capital letter, and the other one also, I only leave just one space in between them, and this is what you want to replicate in your own also. You want to replicate this also in your own while you're setting it up. Then I'm going to save. Then we have just set a rule label. This is the rule label, right? This is the rule label. So we are going to understand the reason for this very soon. So the next thing for us to do right here is to go into our task calendar so that we can set up a program that is going to work with this rule that we have just set up, and we can have our contact on WhatsApp saved. Right? So if you are still with me to this very point, that means you are actually interested in this. So why not give this video a thumbs up right now? Give it a thumbs up, like it, so that people just like you that need this kind of solution can have access to it, and the community can also grow all together. And I want to set up a new rule, in a new project, a new profile. I'm going to tap on this plus sign right here. So clicking on it, so events. Then from this event, I'm going to click on plugin. And from the plugin, I will click on autoresponder. Alright, so and I will click this pen right here. Okay, tap on that. Okay, from here, I'm going to select this particular rule. I just tap on the rule, bam. Okay, then I will press back once. I will tap on this new task. Then this marking button right here, this marking button, this right here, I'll just tap on it. Okay, that's good. Then I will press this I just created a new. So now I will press this right here again. So then from here I will search for if. Okay, this is if. This is if. Then I'm going to tap on if. So this is what we're going to type right here. This must be the same thing with your own also. Percentage rule underscore label. Percentage rule underscore label. Then we go to the next one. So percentage rule, if percentage rule underscore label matches, this sign means matches contact, save contact. Okay, right guys, so you have to take note of this. You can see it is the same thing with what we also have here also. I'm talking about the arrangements, the capital letter, everything. It is the same thing. So you want to replicate the same thing also while you're setting your own up. The capital letter, the spacing, everything has to be the same. So this can work correctly. So I just press back once and I just tap somewhere around the screen. Okay. Alright. So the next thing I want to do right here is click this plus button again. So I'll tap on it. Then I will search for add. Okay, this is it. Variable add. Tap on variable add. And from here we are going to put just right here add. Capital A and DD. Small letter DD. Then I will press back. Alright. So we have just set up that action. So the next action we want to set up is just click on this plus sign again below to set up a new action. And the action, we are going to look for plugin. We select contact task, select add contacts, then we select this pen right here to edit. Select this pen. So to edit, so right here we want to put the name that we want our audience to save, number to be saved, right? So let's say I want to save their number as let's say I want to use YouTube lead. So YouTube lead, then the first one will be saved as YouTube lead 1, the following one YouTube lead 2, YouTube lead 3, and so on and so forth. So I will leave just one space and percentage add. Alright, so the next one, the phone number will be percentage sender. That is the phone number. Then the address, the account will be our Gmail. I'll select the Gmail account. Okay. Then I will tap this marking button here to save that. I will back. Then we have just set up the third action, right? So the next thing is for us to end if. So I will tap this plus button again to search for end if. So this is end if, right? So tap on end if. That's it. So the next thing I want to do right here is to create an alert. So if all this is actually working, so there should be something that's going to tell us, to signify, to tell us that this contact has actually been saved, right? So for us to do that, we just tap on this plus button again. Then we click on alerts, flash. Then from here we just put contacts is saved as, don't forget, what was the name we used? YouTube lead. Okay, YouTube YouTube lead. Okay, good. Save as YouTube lead. All right. Then YouTube lead. Okay. Percentage. Leave a space. Just one space. Percentage add. Then we put this on long, and then we press back. All right, guys. So we are done with setting up the tasker now. So the next thing for us to do is to go and test this out from autoresponder to actually see if this is working perfectly. So for us to test it, we can do that from here, from this button right here. So I'll tap on it right here. So if this actually work, this is the number that is going to be used to save, right? So this number is going to be saved on our phone. So just like we said, we used we're going to press any name here, any number here. So yeah, I'm going to put hello. You can see contact is saved as YouTube lead 142. Alright guys, so let's just search for YouTube leads now on our contact list. YouTube leads. YouTube leads 142. Yeah guys, this is it. YouTube leads 142, same number. You can see 3350 ends it. So if you go back, you can see that it's the same 3350 that ends it. So this is actually working, guys. This is actually working, massively working. But we are not done right here. We're not done. Just like I said, I did this video especially for business people so that you can set this up yourself and you can use this to enhance your business, right? So even after you have done all this, then there has to be a way whereby you can integrate this with your own rules, because you have a rule for your business. You are not just directing people to your WhatsApp for fun's sake. You want them to come and take a particular action. You want them to come and know about a particular product, right? So this is only to save their name automatically, and they are going to have to know more about that product, right? So if you come right here, you can see that I told them to reply saved if they have saved their number, right? You can see reply save if you have done that, at least if they have saved our number. Then if I go back right here, I can create a new rule from here. A new rule, right? I just tap on this to create a new rule. Then I will say, and I will use saved as a received message. And I will put this on similar match. Then I can have a chance of putting new message here, right? Putting new message here. Then I can save this. So if I come right here to test it again, and I say hi, and I have welcome, the contact is saved, good. Then save my number as hashtag. Then the next thing is I ask them to reply saved if they are done that. So if the person say reply saved now, the person now replies saved, then I have something like this. So you can see that rule can follow. So this is how you can arrange it, right? You can arrange it so that you can put other rules that you have also on your autoresponder behind it, and why you have their leads, why you have your list number saved. Right? So if this video has been helpful to you, if it has been impactful, why don't you share it to those community that you have? Let other people also know about this video and how amazing this content has been, so that everybody can grow all together. And if you don't like this video, give it a thumbs up right now, like it, so that other people that need this kind of solution can have access to it. Alright, I promise you guys that I'm going to show you how you can get the premium version of autoresponder and also get tasker application without paying a dime, right? So for you to get these two applications, all you just have to do is to go into the description below and click the link that says give me the apps, give me the apps, and I'll see you on the other side. All right, and also if you're a business person and you don't have time to be setting all this up yourself, or you have a bigger rules on bigger ideas on what you want to do, so and you don't have time to do it yourself, I can actually help you to set it up. All you just have to do to get it set up for you is to click the link in the description that says set it up for me, set it up for me, and I will see you on the other side to set it up for you.
Thank you and God bless.